Hi artists, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore the great outdoors and learn how to draw a simple yet stunning landscape. Grab your pencils and paper and let's get started. First, let's start with the basics. Draw a horizontal line to separate the sky from the land. Draw a horizontal line to separate the sky from the land. Remember, the horizontal line should be slightly curved to give a sense of depth. Next, draw a simple mountain range using gentle curves and soft lines. Don't worry too much about details, we will add those later. Now add a bright and cheerful sun to your landscape. Use a circle with rays extending outwards to create a warm and cozy effect. Add some bushes and grass to your landscape using short curved lines. Vary the size and shape to create texture and depth. Finally, add some final details like trees, rocks, or a winding path to bring your landscape to life. Don't forget to shade and color your drawing to make it pop. And there's it, and there you have it. And that's it. You now have a beautiful, simple landscape to be proud of. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep drawing and experimenting with different techniques. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, comment and share. Until next time, keep watching, keep exploring and keep creating. Thank you very much.